Hello, this is a screenshot for how to use the online library to find peer-reviewed journal articles. I'm going to show you what it's like here. This is how your screen opens when you've selected the link from your homepage. You get to the Keiser University online library. The easiest way to find Proquest is to scroll down to popular databases. I'm going to use Proquest, but you could use EBSCOhost. How to use the advanced search tool. You put your search terms into here. First of all, I'd like to direct your attention to the full text and peer-reviewed check marks. This shows that you're going to find articles only where you can see the entire text. There are many articles where you can find the abstract, but to get to the full text, you may have to pay a fee. So this is selected to full text. This is freely available. This necessarily restricts the amount of articles that you can find, and this is one of the restrictions that we have when the university chooses which subscription to pay for your education. The key to narrowing your search is also in this field. You can put anywhere except full text. The terms would be in the abstract. They could be in the all subjects indexing. They could be the author. Maybe you want to find an author and more articles by that author. You can also look in the document title or the publication title. That would be the name of the journal that you're interested in. So maybe you're interested in an addiction journal and you know one called Addiction. So you'd look into the Addiction Journal series. To look into week 1 search, let's say we're looking at teratogens. So we can just go put in the title. I would not put anywhere because that could give you too many articles to go through. I would recommend perhaps using the abstract, or you could use the subject terms. Subject terms are SU. That's the code for that. This means that when a person or people they submit their articles to the journals, they have to put in search terms, the subjects that they're writing about. Let's go to the abstract. If it's in the abstract, that means that it's definitely going to be in the subject, most likely. So let's look at teratogens, but we could also put or teratogen, also in the abstract. Make sure you click this. Let's click and see what we get. There were no articles. I wonder if I spelt it wrong. So I'm going to try again. I did spell it wrong. So this is how we would find it. There are 319 results, which is very helpful. That's not a lot of journals. I would say we want to restrict it to scholarly journals and see if that reduces the number. Only took away 3 articles. Well, here we go. So we have teratogens. How would we reduce this even further? We could go back to the recent search. Let's modify the search. I'm going to put fetal alcohol syndrome and teratogen. That will really narrow it. It may not, let's put teratogen then as anywhere in the text. That gives us 73 results, which is much more manageable. Here we have an article on binge drinking. We have a full text, we have abstract and details. It is cited by only 2 other writers. I like to see something that's cited by more people. So this one's cited by 17 people. I think that's going to be more useful. Here's one cited by 20 other article writers, and here's one cited by 29. These are the ones that you would probably be more interested in. Let's go to how we get the citation. You can download this article if you wish. You can also click on here on citation. This is set to APA 6th. APA 7th, there's no difference. So APA 6th is fine. I copy it and I'm going to paste it into a Word document. If you have RefWorks and Noodle Tools, EasyBib, and Microsoft, you can use those to transport this citation. This is a citation. It's also called an end of text reference. So you would copy and paste that into your writing at the end under references. Okay, so here we have quite a bit of information. To avoid plagiarism, you would take notes on this, put this aside, and write from your notes. I hope that's helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.